Welcome back, everybody, and a special welcome to my new subscribers from all across the world. I've been getting some really encouraging comments from you guys this week, and you know what? Thank you very, very much for that. So this morning I was remembering some of my encounters with Jamaican vendors, and over the years, Jamaicans are amazing salespeople. Their style is not to sit quiet and wait for you to look like you want to buy what them have to sell. No, sir. Them come right out at you and engage you, look you in your eye. And the first mistake you can make now is if you say to them, how much does a pear cost? You feel price gone up sky high on the spot. So you make sure say to them, say, how you sell the banana, or how you sell the breadfruit, or how you sell the ackee, you stand a better chance. So the next thing you want to know now is always know that the first price you hear, it having little bargaining padding, right? Vendors in Jamaica expect you to haggle with them. So nobody get too dread with it because everybody have to live. But always know, say, your discount, you better believe it's built into the first price that them quote you. So you can definitely haggle a little bit with them. So also don't go there and feel up something them that the people are selling, because unless you plan to put that in your bag and take it home, them not really like that you're feeling it up. So fruit vending is one kind of vending, and then there is craft market vending. That is next level. You see, as a Jamaican cruising through the Ocharias market, craft market, of course immediately them think I'm a tourist, so it gives me the opportunity to see how a tourist feel when them go through the craft market. Of course, if I open my mouth, then it's a different story. But you know, when I was young and before the all-inclusive thing was just like all over Jamaica, the craft vendors had a bigger market, right? Because now them kind of, it's really slim pickings, and so the craft vendors have had to become more aggressive and it's more competitive. So them really have to go after the customers to get their goods to sell, right? So if you understand that, you kind of are more forgiving. And if you go through the craft market, I guarantee you're them going to call you into every single stall, right? And there are some great crafts. They're great crafts for people to buy and take home as souvenir to carry back to foreign to their people. And if you just go in prepared, if you prepare yourself that each and every vendor is going to approach you, then, and sweet mouth will kill you and all the rest of it, then, at least you know ahead of time. And so you can enjoy the experience and you can come away with some treasures. Because remember though, haggle. Because if you go into a stall, you must know this though. If you go into a stall and you pick up anything, or you tell the vendor, say you like this or you like that, just know, say in their mind, you buy it already. You've gone home with it. So just bear that in mind before you start pick up things. So with all of that said though, I really encourage you to support our talented and hardworking vendors. Like, the art is outstanding. So another thing Jamaicans do, them think outside the box. I remember this man who used to sell strawberry plant out of a cardboard box, walking around the parking lot at General Food Supermarket in Ocharias, selling to the housewife, them and the people, and buying them groceries. As you get to your car, you kind of have to stay there a little bit, putting your things in the car, and that is him. Him just show up with his box, and ever so nice, just a gentleman, and I was one of his customers. I couldn't resist. So a lot of people were the same way. So then you have vendors who set up table outside school gates. Them sell every kind of sweetie, suck, bag juice, round bun with cheese tricks, you name it. And these kind of have a captive market. So them not so aggressive. Them just sit down and sell. Because which picnic don't love cheese tricks, sweetie, and bag juice? Then now, on the beach, you will be sold any number of things, from water sports to a massage on the beach. Or you might hear out the back there, you want to get your hair braid? Or you might hear them selling lobster. And yes, they might try sell you ganja, a red stripe, and soft drinks. But notice, the prices on the beach are the absolute highest prices, because that is where you find the tourists. So know that when you're buying on the beach. Then you have the pan chicken vendors where you have the drum pan that them cut from the top to the bottom down the middle, turn it on its side on a stand, fill the bottom with charcoal. Next thing you know, them cooking up barbecue chicken, jerk chicken, and you smell the delicious smells coming out of that, and them serve it with either hard bread or rice and peas or breadfruit. And usually you see these on the roadside, and you also see them mainly at night time, you know, when people are out and about and they want something to eat. So then, you know what? There was a man in Ochi who used, I forget his name now, I'm sorry, but he may even still be there. But he used to come out like once a week, I think it was a Friday, and he walked up and down with fresh goods that he had baked at home, like grater cake, gizzarda, coconut drops. If any of you watching remember this guy, or if you can tell me if he's still around and what his name is, I'd love that. So share that with us. And next man now, at Christmas time, he used to park his car like one of them, the hatchback with the back of the car open up, station wagon. And he would park that car at post office in Claremont and full it up of women's clothes, men's clothes, shoes, toys, and that was his gig at Christmas time. So to be honest, this is just a small list of what you can find available for sale all across Jamaica. And just when you're in Jamaica, buy Jamaican. Okay, support the local vendors because they work hard and they could use your support, and it's always a good thing to do when you're in a country to buy local, So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you find it helpful in some way if you're traveling to Jamaica or you're there. And please subscribe, please share this, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and comment, always comment, because those are always great fun. Okay, see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.